Hey guys, this video is in response to a rant that I got from a couple students about online family nurse practitioner programs. And if you fall into these 5 categories or even one of these categories, an online program for FNP, for family nurse practitioner, for a nurse practitioner in general, probably is not for you. If you're interested in that, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jemecia, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, guys. So hey, yeah, I am gonna just keep it real with you. This video is not gonna be a fun, touchy-feely type video. It's gonna be just some real advice, some real digging down deep to see if you are that type of person who fits an online program, literally, because there are some people who really don't fit an online program. And so this video, like I said, is in response to a couple students actually, who were like really ragging on online programs. And I'm not here for or against online or brick and mortar or whatever, but I know that there is a time and place for either or. And there are certain type of people who really do thrive in online programs, or they thrive in brick and mortar. And that's just how it is. And I know you guys are out here wanting to just continue to live your life, continue to work, continue to be a mom, a dad, or whatever. But in grad school, sometimes you have to make some sacrifices, and things are just not going to turn out like that. So in this video, let's just jump right into it. There are 5 reasons that a family nurse practitioner online program is just not for you. Don't do it, okay? If you are that type of person who is not independent, that cannot just do things and get things going and not have to have constant tutelage, constant pushing forward, constant telling you what needs to be done, then an online program is not for you. Okay, you might do better in a brick and mortar or a hybrid, okay? Because online programs, you need to be independent, all right? So that's number 1. If you're not independent like that, don't do it, okay? Number 2, if you are that type of student who thrives on class interaction, if you thrive on other people and interacting with other people, then an online program isn't for you, because you're there with yourself by yourself. It's not always a synchronous program. Most of them are asynchronous, where you can come on and do the work when you want to come on and do the work. And sometimes people thrive on class interaction. They thrive on being able to get the energy from the room from other people, and they do well that way. Or hearing other people's responses, verbally hearing other people's responses. So if class interaction is a thing that you know works for you, then an online program really isn't for you, even though they encourage interaction in the course shell. That's not the same thing, okay? It's not. So if you know that, don't do that. Number 3, if you are someone who needs immediate feedback. Oh, my instructor didn't get back to me right away. Oh, it takes forever for someone to get back to me. Oh, I need. No, an online program, guys, you have to understand, they want their professors, their clinicians, to be the creme de la creme. They want their professors to be people who are in the thick of things. So they're actually working. They're actually people who work full-time too. So you're not going to get someone who's there for you immediately. That is why they tell you to give your professor at least 24 to 48 hours to get back to you, because they're working. They have full-time jobs. So you have to give them some grace on that. And if you need immediate feedback, if you need to be able to walk in and talk to somebody, or pick up the phone and call somebody right away, then this is not going to work for you, okay? Just know that, and that's okay. All right. The next thing is, let's see here. Okay, yeah, if you if you lack critical thinking, and I'm not trying to go for you or come for you, but if you actually lack critical thinking, if you're not like a detective, if you're not like that type of person who can really just find stuff, go into the course shell, look around, take the time to find things in the course before you make that phone call, before you reach out to someone, because almost everything you need is in your class. You just have to find it. You just have to look for it. And it takes time. So you have to take time to do that. So if you lack that critical thinking, the detective skills, then again, online is not for you. Hold on.
I have your daughter on the phone. I was going to transfer her.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so another thing. If you're disorganized, you need to be so organized. Everything has to be, your whole life has to be organized. You have to organize your day. You have to organize your classes, all of that good stuff, guys. If you're not, I'm sorry, it's not going to be for you. Okay, guys, leave me some comments in the comment section. Tell me if you agree. Thanks, guys. Take care.